hard to see in this light, but there are two cats there. That one there is the kitten, the most recent kitten, gone to sleep in her normal location, and that is the older kitten. So that's Floyd, and there is Julia. Everyone's having their 9 o'clock nap. It's a humid, warm day, and it's raining. So it's 22 degrees out there. And the humidity is 100%. Annoying morning. Here I am. I'm having my lukewarm coffee. Bringing on myself, of course. I noticed after I heated up my coffee, put it on the desk, on the kitchen table, ready to carry into here. This is like half an hour ago. I noticed that Julia had used her litter box. I noticed that because I smelled it. And I've got a little, I've mentioned that I've got a little shoebox upstairs. So it's kind of, you know, necessary to clean out the litter box. So I went and undid all the locks on the dog crate, that big dog crate where her food and her litter box is, and cleaned out the litter box. Okay, no problem. Then I noticed that she was out of food, so I got some food ready, heated up some cat milk, put in some cat food. Once a day I do the moist milk type food thing. And so that finally got softened a little. I put it in and she went in. Meanwhile, my coffee is cooling on the table. And I was planning on going for a walk this morning after I, you know, checked my emails, drank my coffee. But it is not to be, at least not right now, because the road is really shiny. Look at my neighbor just walked by with her dog, so it's probably not that bad because it's nice and warm outside. So things are piling up to do in the next couple of weeks. I gotta take her to the vet for her shots. I've got to, the day before that, I have to go to the first meeting at school. I have to direct a Kitchener for that, but it's a paid PD for the beginning of the year. So I'll go to that. And my friend, her daughter, has a fresh at the college again, where they do Highland dancing. Really, that's like Highland dancing, yes. I am not a Highland dancer. So that'll be good. I go to that every year. It's been years that she's gone there, and I have seen her. Oh, it's 2007, I think. Yeah, when I started my Maybe before that. Yes, maybe. Really? Did I? I don't know. Not sure. Anyway, I'll ask. But it's really fun to see them really colorful in their dresses, and that's cool. That's about it, I think. I can't think of anything else. I was just so annoyed by my coffee turning into warm coffee instead of hot coffee. And then I'm concerned because my one cat isn't eating. She's the one who doesn't accept Julia. Everyone else has come to accept her and even play with her. But Ty, who's also the tubbiest and can work on her fat, is not eating. And I tried to give her some cat milk this morning, but she has turned her back and gone to sleep. One cat always decides when there's a new kitten that they're going to get entirely pissed off. Last time it was Tiger, when Floyd came, and now it's Ty and Julia. So she'll have to get a little hungry before she eats again. Okay, folks, I'm going to try and get out in that rain. I don't go out in rain. Let's see if it stops. If it stops, I'll go for my walk. Anyway, good reason to stay in and work. See ya.